In the following example, we're asked to find the regions bounded by the curve y equals 4x, y equals 0, and x equals 1. Here we have the graph of y equals 4x. If we place the line x equals 1 on the graph then, so x equals 1, it's this line here. Y equals 0 is the x-axis, so here. So here's the region that we're interested in finding the area of. So let's find the points of intersection. This point here, 0, 0. And this point here is 1, 4. Since it's on the line x equals 1, we know x is 1. Y is 4 because we just substitute 1 in there. This point then is 1, 0. So we have all of our points. We need a rectangle to help us know which integral we're going to have to write to solve. So we can choose either a dx or a dy here. Using the dx rectangle, we see that moving it from left to right, the top is on the line x equals 4, y equals 4x, and the bottom can remain on the x-axis. So if we just bring that down here, we see that's true everywhere. So dx will certainly work. We could also do this with dy. Let's solve it with dx for the moment. So dx here is going to be the integral, the area is what we're looking for. Integral from 0 to 1. We're choosing the x values because we're going to use dx. The top curve in this case is the line, so 4x. And the bottom curve is the x-axis, so minus 0. Integrating then gives us 2x squared, 4x squared over 2, 4 over 2 leaves 2. Evaluated from 0 to 1. Substituting in 1 then, and substituting in 0, leaves us a final answer of 2 units squared. We could have also solved this question using a dy rectangle. If we can get this rectangle out of here, then we should be able to show that the dy rectangle also can have the left side on the line and the right side on x equal 1. So we could equally write an equation for the area with respect to dy using the y values. It's from 0 to 4. Now we need to solve this for x, so it's x equal y over 4. That's the left side. So the right side is 1 minus the left side, which is y over 4. And that needs to be with respect to y. Integrating gives us the integral, or just y there, minus y squared over 8, evaluated from 0 to 4, which gives us 4 minus 16 over 8 minus 0, because when we plug in 0, everything is 0. 4 minus 16 over 8 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2 units squared. So the result is the same. Now, using simple geometry, we could have demonstrated this because the shape we've made here is a triangle. So the area of any triangle is always a half the base times the height. Since this is nothing more than a triangle, the base goes from 0 to 1, so it's 1 unit. And the height goes from 1 up, or 0 up till 4. So 4, so a half of 4 is 2. So no matter how you do it, the area is 2 square units.